Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in your Davinci Resolve 19. So to do this is pretty simple. So first you will need your text 3D right here. You will just have to go to Fusion, drag that here, merge 3D, which is this one, as you can see, and then your render 3D. You'll have to connect all these three and then place this and highlight this and place it into one. So you'll have to use the dual screen right here. And then your media out 1 will be at number 2 screen right here. So first in text 3D you will have to place in your text. So we're just gonna place raw right here. And then from there we will have to actually highlight our text 3D and press shift spacebar. And then we're gonna look for directional light, so 3DL. So you'll have to add that right here. And then from there, the directional light, all you have to do is basically go from here and then go to extrusion and then go to your extrusion depth so you can change the depth of the text right there. From there, you will have to go to your renderer 3D basically and enable lighting and shadows. As you can see, there's going to be shadows now. So basically that's it. You will have to just place your directional light somewhere so that it will have the lighting effect. So from there, basically you're having a full 3D text now. You can just rotate it right there, and as you can see, you have a 3D text. As you can see, it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.